Hello everyone, I am Neha Chauhan, currently studying in 12th standard. Today we will discuss a topic of chemistry, that is colligative property. So now the question arises that what is colligative property? The word colligative has been adapted or taken from the Latin word colligatus, which translates to bound together. So colligative property is the property which depends on number of moles of solute dissolved in given amount of solvent, not on nature of solute particles. There are four types of colligative properties, that are relative lowering in vapor pressure, elevation in boiling point, depression in freezing point, and osmotic pressure. Now moving ahead and talking about these properties one by one. So first property comes relative lowering in vapor pressure. On addition of non-volatile solute, number of solute particles per unit surface decreases. Hence, rate of evaporation decreases, but rate of condensation remains same. So vapor decreases, hence vapor pressure also decreases. So it is known as lowering in vapor pressure. If P0 A is the vapor pressure of pure solvent and Pa is the vapor pressure of the solution, the difference of P0 A and Pa is termed as lowering in vapor pressure. The ratio of difference of P0 A and Pa to P0 A is known as relative lowering in vapor pressure. Now the second property comes, that is elevation and boiling point. The boiling point of a liquid is the temperature at which the vapor pressure is equal to atmospheric pressure. We know that on addition of non-volatile liquid to a pure solvent, the vapor pressure of solution decreases. Therefore, to make vapor pressure equals to atmospheric pressure, we have to increase the temperature of the solution. The difference in boiling point of the solution and boiling point of pure solvent is termed as elevation in boiling point. So now the third property comes, that is depression in freezing point. The freezing point of a substance is defined as the temperature at which the vapor pressure of the liquid is equal to the vapor pressure of corresponding solid. According to Raoult's law, when a non-volatile solid is added to the solvent, its vapor pressure decreases, and now it would become equal to that of solid solvent. At lower temperature, the difference of the solvent and the solution is called depression in freezing point. So now moving ahead and discussing about the last property, that is osmotic pressure. When a semi-permeable membrane is placed between a solution and solvent, it is observed that solvent molecules enters the solution through semi-permeable membrane and the volume of solution increases. The semi-permeable membrane only allows solvent molecules to pass through it, but it prevents the passage of bigger molecules like solute. This phenomena of spontaneous flow of solvent molecules through a semi-permeable membrane from a pure solvent to a solution or from a dilute to concentrated solution is called osmosis. The flow of solvent molecules through the semi-permeable membrane can be stopped if some extra pressure is applied from the solution side. The process that just stops the flow of solvent is called osmotic pressure of the solution. So these were all the four colligative properties. So at last, I hope that you all are fine. Stay at your home, stay safe, and have a nice day.